Imagine a car that redefines what it means to be a compact sports coupe. A machine so finely tuned, it blurs the line between road and racetrack. The BMW M2 isn't just another sports car. It's a visceral experience that shocks the senses, a piece of engineering that suspends belief and leaves enthusiasts. Is it truly the best in the world, or does it push the boundaries of what a sports coupe can be? One thing is certain. The BMW M2 is a car that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about driving dynamics. And that's precisely what makes it so special. Prepare to be surprised as we dive into what makes the BMW M2 an unparalleled force in the automotive world. Unmatched power and performance. At the heart of the BMW M2 lies 3.0-liter BMW M twin power turbo inline six-cylinder engine that produces an astonishing 473 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. This power is not just about numbers, it translates into a visceral driving experience. The M2 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds, a feat that raises eyebrows and questions. How does such a compact car manage to deliver supercar-level performance? The engine's linear power delivery and high-revving nature create an exhilarating soundtrack that enhances the driving experience. But is this level of performance too much for everyday driving? Can the average driver truly harness the capabilities of such a powerful machine without feeling overwhelmed? The manual transmission option. In a world increasingly dominated by automatic transmissions, the M2 stands out by offering a 6-speed manual gearbox as an option. This feature is a nod to driving purists who crave a more engaging experience. But does this choice make the M2 more appealing, or does it alienate potential buyers who prefer the convenience of an automatic? The manual transmission not only enhances the driving experience, but also raises questions about the future of manual gearboxes in high-performance vehicles. As automakers shift towards automation and electric drivetrains, will the M2's manual option become a relic of the past, or will it continue to attract enthusiasts who value the art of driving? Striking design and controversial aesthetics. The design of the M2 is undeniably bold, featuring a muscular stance and aggressive lines that make it stand out on the road. However, this design has sparked controversy among enthusiasts and critics alike. Some praise its athletic proportions, while others argue that it strays too far from the compact, nimble aesthetic that characterized earlier models. Is the M2's design a reflection of BMW's evolution, or does it signify a departure from the brand's roots? The large kidney grille and pronounced wheel arches are striking, but do they enhance the car's performance or merely serve as visual flair? Advanced technology and connectivity. The M2 is equipped with BMW's latest technology, including the BMW Curve Display, which integrates a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch touchscreen. This modern interface is designed for intuitive interaction, but does it distract from the driving experience? The inclusion of features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 5G antenna system raises questions about the balance between connectivity and the purity of driving. Are we becoming too reliant on technology in our vehicles? Does the M2's advanced infotainment system enhance the driving experience, or does it detract from the raw, visceral connection between driver and machine? Exceptional handling dynamics. One of the most surprising aspects of the M2 is its handling. With a near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution and a sophisticated chassis setup, the M2 delivers agile and responsive handling that instills confidence in drivers. The adaptive M suspension and electronically controlled dampers allow for a customizable driving experience. But do these features make the car feel more like a machine than a driver-focused sports car? As drivers push the M2 to its limits, they may wonder, does the car's advanced technology enhance their connection to the road? Or does it create a layer of separation between them and the driving experience? The M2's ability to handle tight corners and deliver precise feedback is impressive. But is it too reliant on technology to achieve this performance? Market positioning and value. Positioned as an entry-level model in BMW's M lineup, The M2 offers a compelling blend of performance and price. Starting around $64,000, it provides supercar-level performance without the exorbitant price tag associated with larger M models. However, this raises questions about value. Is the M2 truly worth its price, or are buyers paying a premium for the BMW badge? The M2 competes with formidable rivals like the Audi RS3 and Mercedes-AMG CLA 45. While it excels in performance and driving dynamics, does it offer enough features and luxury to justify its cost compared to these competitors? The last of its kind, the BMW M2 stands at a thrilling crossroads in automotive history, marking one of the final bastions of pure combustion power as the brand gears up for an electric future. This transition isn't just a shift, it's a seismic change that raises urgent questions. Can electric drivetrains truly capture the raw, heart-pounding excitement of roaring engines? As we watch the automotive landscape transform, the M2 emerges as a symbol of BMW's relentless pursuit of performance. But here's the shocking twist. Will this iconic model become nothing more than a nostalgic relic, cherished by enthusiasts, but ultimately overshadowed by electric innovation? Or could it pave the way for a groundbreaking new era that blends tradition with cutting-edge technology? The fate of high-performance sports cars hangs in the balance, and the M2 is at the epicenter of this electrifying evolution. Buckle up. This is just the beginning of a thrilling ride into the future. The best or just a contender? At the end, the BMW M2 raises numerous questions about what it means to be the best compact sports coupe in the world. Its performance is undeniably impressive, but does it come with compromises that might alienate some drivers? The design is bold, yet it may not resonate with purists who prefer a more compact form. As technology continues to evolve, the M2 must navigate the fine line between innovation and distraction. Its market position is strong, but the competition is fierce. Ultimately, the BMW M2 is a remarkable vehicle that embodies the spirit of performance and driving pleasure. But whether it is the best remains a topic for debate. Can a single car truly claim the title of the best when preferences and priorities vary so widely among drivers? The M2 invites us to ponder this question as we take to the roads, experiencing the thrill of driving in a compact sports coupe that continues to captivate enthusiasts around the globe. If you enjoyed this analysis of the BMW M2, be sure to like and subscribe for more automotive content. See you in the next video. We look forward to seeing you in the next video, and don't forget to leave your suggestions for future videos in the comments below.